Part 2 of opening football cards. Alright. So we have some more football cards. We have a lot more actually. Bark. Dad?
Lamar Jackson. That's an awesome one.
So we got Lamar Jackson. This looks like a good one.
A really good one.
Dad, put it in the card.
All right, hold on, watch.
Carl Pickens. Carl Pickens.
You have to finish and pay your off. That
Dad, what's
it's
this
a
guy's
pig.
name?
Yeah.
Donovan
Hey, bro.
Azaric. I don't know. Uku.
You, Daddy,
I don't know
with
his
the
name.
baseball cards.
Let me know if you know his name, please. But Dad,
Yeah, you do.
is
Yeah,
Carl
we
Pickens
are.
good?
Gonna chicken you up.
Yep.
Alright.
And two baseball cards. But we're gonna do that in the next video. That way. You should open up the video.
Alright, so we have Nick Bosa.
Please.
Yeah, that guy's all. That's a really good one.
Really?
Yeah.
Nick Bosa?
Money.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Money.
We have Nick Bosa. Lamar Jackson.
That's in my baseball. Let's see what's coming. Oh, cool.
We got Lamar Jackson.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Do it.
Alright.
Do it. I swear you have to do it.
On to the next pack. This is gonna be a long video, guys. We have a ton of packs. Ashton Genty.
Is it Ashton Gentry? Yeah, he's really good.
We got Ashton Genty, I think. Dad?
Ooh.
Wait, this is signatured.
Yeah, let me see.
Hold on. Yo, guys.
Logan Hall.
Wait, what did we just
That
get?
one's dope. Put that one good.
Wait,
That one's really good.
guys.
Stephon Diggs.
What? Oh my god. Yo, chat. We just got this.
Tyrone Tracy Jr.
Oh my god. We're getting so much good stuff.
Those are all good cards. Just be good with them, so don't rip them.
We got this guy.
Don't. This is your best one. Don't mess with it.
Oh, my best one.
Piece of his rookie shirt.
Piece of his rookie shirt.
I got a signature.
Yeah, I think you'll have another one of those in here too. Alright, don't mess with it. You're hurting it.
Yo, guys. We got a signature, bro.
Look, so now you just.
Now you get to look at them.
We got this guy. I think I've showed you guys.
Oh,
that
yeah.
one.
No, Dad, let me
Soft
show
one.
him.
We got this
Yo.
guy.
A video of it.
Oh my god, guys. We got so much good stuff.
I'm going to show a video of this.
Like, I just paused for a second when I saw this.
Where's your other one? Let's see.
Alright. Leah.
I want
I'm just watching.
some other cards.
Ow.
Okay, more. Do you want something to drink and eat? Did you eat all your chicken?
Dad, can I have some water?
How much of your chicken did you eat? Those are all gone. You ate all your chicken?
Andrew Van Ginnell. Andrew Van Ginnell.
What do you mean? You ate all your chicken or no?
I'm still looking.
This guy's not a rookie.
Did I leave your... Yeah, that's a good one. Andrew Van Ginkle?
Yeah. All right, guys. Andrew Van Ginnell.
Hey!
This guy's a good one, I think.
Hey guys! Now let's
Brian
have a
Thomas
video
Jr.
Yeah.
on wrapping
Brian
some
Thomas
baseball
Jr.
cards.
Baker Mayfield. That's a good one.
Yeah, we have
This
Baker
is-
Mayfield here, like
Oh,
my dad said.
Pokemons. Let's
Golden
talk about
Tate.
some baseball.
Golden Tate.
Yeah. That was pretty long
This-
He's
ago.
dope. I like him.
3.
It
He's
was.
Golden Tate the third.
Golden Tate the third.
Oh yeah.
All right,
Look,
on
look
to
at
our
that.
next pack, guys.
They're not baseball.
We have 3 more packs.
Baseball
Okay,
is
guys.
a very far touch.
Here,
Baseball
take out that card.
is kind of cool. Oh yeah, baseball.
Travis
Oh, he's
Jr.
good. Travis Etienne Jr.
About
Yeah.
baseball. Oh yeah,
Travis
look at that.
Etienne Jr.
Good.
Will Johnson.
He's good.
Oh.
Cardinals.
Baseball.
Okay.
Better
Kristen
baseball players.
Befford.
Oh, look who am I?
Christian Benford.
Trying to kill you.
Kristen
Tell
Befford.
them how good them are. Oh!
And then
Shot.
Cameron Jordan.
Aura.
Is Cameron Jordan good?
And the most special of all. Yes. The baseball shirt. Yeah, how do you call them that? Huh? It's a lot.
Bryce Young.
Yeah. He's good.
You have some?
No.
What? I got
Bryce
big
Young.
Wow.
Patrick
Go,
Surtain the
Yeah.
second.
Oh. You want to see some? You
Jalen
want to see
May.
some wheel cards?
Yep.
But you want to see this? Huh? You want to see some real baseball? Oh, yeah. You need to see
Sick.
this.
Thanks, video. So we're gonna play iPad now.
Thanks, video. We're playing iPad. See ya. See ya, losers. Wait, can we see our video?
Timane
Yeah,
Ed
go to your video.
Mus.
Wait, videos?
Go.
Dad. Hold on. Is this guy good? Is Timane Ed Mus good?
Yeah. Trayvon Edmonds.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, he's real good.
All right, guys, we're down to our last pack. This was like 10 minutes, bro. All right. Let's hope we get a rookie with part of his t-shirt on it, like we did. Matthew Safford.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Matthew Safford?
He's on the Rams.
Matthew Safford.
Stafford.
Oh, Stafford. Dylan Gabriel. Is Dylan Gabriel good? Dylan Gabriel?
I don't know him yet. Maybe I'll have to read up on him.
Okay.
Oh!
Bobby
Oh!
Wagner.
Yeah.
Well, I saw a great card.
Cool.
Yeah. Cheyenne, Matthew?
Mm-hmm.
Cheyenne, Matthew. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed. For now, peace.